In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your passenger side front power window switch and lock button. This fits the 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300, and it's located right here in the passenger side front door panel. On the outside trim of our door panel here, there's going to be 3 lock buttons. We're going to go ahead and use our screwdriver here, and we're gently going to press in on the center. Kind of give this a little bump and pop that in, and do the same here. At this point here, use your trim tool. I'm going to go behind the door panel and just pry that out. That'll loosen your clip and remove those buttons. Once we get these 3 out, there's going to be 2 directly on the other side of the panel here on this side. On the top here, right behind our handle, is going to be a little plastic cap. We're going to use our small pick, pop open this little access door, and there's going to be a Phillips head screw in there. Let's go ahead, loosen, and remove that screw. It's going to be a series of 4 screws across the bottom of our door panel. Let's go ahead, loosen, and remove those. Now, right in the center of your door panel below your handle, there's a little hidden panel right here. You use your small pick, pop that open, and go ahead and remove that Phillips screw in there. I'm going to go ahead and grab that door panel. I'm going to lift it up, sliding it up off of our lock button there. On the back right here is that clip. I want to go ahead, just use your thumb, pop that off, lift that rod out. It's going to allow us to pull that panel out a little bit further. Then I want to go ahead and disconnect our harnesses from the door module, and then we're going to disconnect the rest of the harnesses to our switch. I'm going to press in on the little tabs here. Now the switch is going to come out through the inside here. We're going to use our trim tool here. We want to open this up and pop these little retainer clips out. Be careful not to crack that. Once we have this side kind of pulled out a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and work this side over here. And then pop that out like so. Go ahead and take your new switch, simply line that up, and just push it in. Make sure it's locked in, give it a little wiggle. Let's go ahead and reverse our procedure of installing our harnesses here. Snap that clip on. Go ahead and get your door lock button through here. Bring that door panel down. We'll try and get those buttons lined up. Now we lined up our pins and we're able to push our upper panel onto the inner sweep here. I'm going to line that up. Go ahead and push those plastic clips on. Now that the door panel is set in place, we're just going to reverse everything, install our center screw first. Once we have that one in, let's go ahead and install the 4 across the bottom. Install the upper screw behind the handle. press loosen that cap, and then we'll pop on the cap in the bottom center here. Snap that up in place. I'm going to go ahead and install the main button. And then push that center piece in. I'm going to go ahead and install the two gray buttons here. And once these are done, we'll install the two on the inboard part of our door panel. Now that we're all set with our plastic push pins, you've completed the job.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.